So, in our previous lesson, napag-aralan natin yung properties ng cone at saka pyramid. And dun sa sumunod na lesson, pinag-aralan naman natin yung mga similar figures. Ngayon, i-combine natin yung principle of similar figures at saka yung mga properties ng cone and pyramid dito sa next topic natin, which is called the frustum of a cone and a pyramid. So kapag sinabi nating frustum, ito yung bounded by two planes, by two parallel planes. Let's say, no, meron kang isang buong cone. Tapos, dun sa gitna, hahatiin natin yung cone natin na parallel siya dun sa lower base natin. So, yung mangyayari is, yung magiging figure natin will become a frustum. So, in this example, let's say, no, hahatiin natin yung cone natin wherein etong plane na to or the top base of our frustum is parallel siya dun sa lower base natin. So, yung mangyayari is ganito yung magiging itsura ng ating cone. Siyempre, mahahati yung nasa taas. Tapos, yung matitira na lang is etong part na to. Etong parang baso. So, this will become the frustum of our cone. So, meron din naman tayong tinatawag na frustum of pyramid. Doon naman, we are dealing with a certain plane na kinat natin dun sa pyramid wherein yung plane na yon is parallel siya dun sa lower base. So, kung i-imagine ninyo na pyramid to, tapos magka-cut ako at some point at a certain distance wherein yung plane na yon is parallel siya dun sa lower base. So that will become a frustum of pyramid. So nung nag-intro ako sa inyo, sinabi ko sa inyo na there is a certain relation lagi sa cone and pyramid. Kasi kung mapapansin ninyo, a cone is also parang pyramid din siya, kaso yung base niya is circular. So, to calculate for the volume of a cone in a certain frustum or the general formula para sa isang frustum is volume is equals to h over 3 multiplied by a sub 1 plus a sub 2 plus square root of the product of a sub 1 and a sub 2. So, yung a sub 1 natin will become the base, yung nasa ilalim. Then, a sub 2, yung nasa taas naman. So, yung h naman is the height between the top base and the lower base. So, that will be our h. Ngayon, ito yung tinatawag nating general formula. Yung ina-advise ko sa inyo is i-memorize nyo na lang yung general formula. Kapag sinabi nating general formula, kapag frustum, applicable to. Mapa cone yan or mapa pyramid. Pero meron tayong nadiderive na formula for the volume of cone. So let's try, no? Assuming ito yung cone natin, frustum of a cone. So, let's say that yung nasa ilalim natin, the radius of that cone is denoted by capital R. Then yung nasa taas naman, it will be denoted by small r. Tapos, yung slant height naman, that will be, so dito di pa kailangan yung slant height, so mamaya na lang. So let's consider doing this formula. So, substitute natin, ha? So, sa a sub 1 natin, that will be pi r squared. For a sub 2 naman, that will be pi small r squared. So substituting the values of a sub 1 and a sub 2 in the general formula, we will have V is equals to H over 3 pi r squared plus pi small r squared plus square root of pi r squared multiplied by pi small r squared. So kung isi-simplify natin yan, yung mangyayari is eto magiging ano na lang yan, lalabas na yung mga yan. So V is equals to H over 3 multiplied by pi r squared plus pi small r squared plus, since pi times pi, yung square root mo ilalabas mo, so mangyayari is pi na lang. R squared ilalabas mo, ang mangyayari is r na lang. Yung small r squared ilalabas mo, mangyayari is magiging r na lang siya. So we have a common factor of pi. So ilalabas natin si pi. So the volume will now equal to pi h over 3 capital R squared plus small r squared plus the product of the radius of two bases. So this will now be applicable for the frustum of cone. So, ina-advise ko sa inyo na huwag nyo nang i-memorize to. Ito na lang general formula. So now, let's solve for the lateral area naman. So kung natatandaan ninyo yung sinabi ko sa inyong general formula in solving for the lateral area of cone, so maa-apply natin siya dito sa frustum. So, going back dun sa discussion natin, lateral area is equals to the average of the perimeter of section 1 and section 2 or the bases all over 2 multiplied by the slant height. So in our given figure, the slant height here is denoted by eto. Yan. So the length na nakaslant from a sub 2 tsaka a sub 1. So that will be our slant height. So substituting, since yung perimeter ng cone natin, perimeter ng circle natin is circumference, so solve natin yung mga circumference. So this will become C1 plus C2 all over 2 multiplied by the slant height. C1 is equals to 2 pi capital R. So capital R. C2, 2 pi small r, yung nasa taas. So substitute natin, the lateral area will now equal to 2 pi r plus 2 pi small r all over 2 multiplied by the slant height. So yung lateral area natin magiging, meron siyang common factor na 2 pi multiplied by capital R plus small r all over 2 slant height. So makakancel si 2. So the lateral area for frustum of a cone is pi capital R plus r multiplied by the slant height. For cone lang to ha, frustum of cone. So, yung sinasabi ko sa inyo is i-memorize na lang yung mga general formula natin. So, in this example, ito yung general formula natin na applicable sa cone at saka pyramid. Sa volume naman, ito naman yung general formula. So, let's say, hinahanap naman natin is yung slant height. Sir, paano po i-calculate yung slant height? So, yung mangyayari is, kung makikita ninyo, we will form a certain magpo-form tayo ng rectangle na kung ipo-project natin sa baba, si A sub 2 mangyayari is magkakaroon tayo ng triangle dito. So mapapansin nyo kung ipoproject ko sa ilalim yung lower base natin sa baba, from a sub 2, kung ipoproject ko sa ilalim, mangyayari is, para makuha natin to, etong length na yan, yung mangyayari is, yung capital R natin, ima-minus natin siya dun sa small r. So kasi yung kabuuan nito is yung malaking R. Tapos, ito naman, from the center, papunta doon, that will be small r pala. Ito big R, small r. So, para makuha natin to, mangyayari is capital R minus R. So, kung isa-separate natin yung figure, mangyayari dito sa natin is, ito yung slant height natin, R minus R, tapos yun yung H. So, in calculating for the slant height, just apply Pythagorean theorem, square root of H squared plus R minus small r squared. So, that will be the formula in finding the slant height. So, ulitin ko lang, lagi lang tayong mag-base sa general formula para less yung minememorize nating mga formula.